Hello. So today I'm not gonna do UE4 because after reading the tutorial on the AI, turns out I have to do some C++, and I'm just not feeling it today. And I've been wanting to do some 3D stuff, some procedural geometry in Blender, so I'm gonna do that today for my hour of game dev, or just dev in general. Dev in general. Okay, so, oh yeah, tutorial window there. So we're going to be watching a video by Bad Normals, how to make procedural sushi with geometry nodes. And from watching the, whatchamacallit, the Blender 2.93 video, I found out that you can just open a geometry nodes thing. Yeah, right there. Plus button and geometry nodes. And that supposedly makes it easier to make. Oh, makes it easier to get started. So I guess I'll start now. And it goes fast. Might slow it down. 0.75 might be good. How do you do that? What is that shortcut? Face. Grid fill. Alright. Is that... Oh no, that is... Oh, I thought that was an N-gon for a second. Ooh. Right, how do I group nodes? Alright, so I need to make a layout for Blender at some point, but anyways, we shall continue with the tutorial and stop not doing the tutorial. Oh yeah, how do you group stuff? Control J, that's how you group the nodes. Looks like he resized it without even mentioning that. A bit annoying. Skipping some steps, but alright. Oh yes, I should probably be saving stuff like this before it crashes. There we go. Saved it. Almost forgot to save it. Oopsie. Let's set the origin to the heck. Oh yeah, it's a solidify modifier. One. There we go. And then let's start renaming these. Grain? Rice? Just rice grain, I guess. I really like these nodes. They automatically move. They're like way better than Unreal's nodes. Or it gets messy. Just clip it in. So what is this getting? Which geometry attribute is it getting? Yeah, I have to fix my scenes. Alright, I'm just gonna go with scale and probably figure it out later. How's his seeds rotated randomly and mine aren't? The more I multiply it, the less it becomes. The more I multiply, the less there is. So this value is somehow negative in the end? Maybe it's my cube that's doing that. No, I just noticed, did the color ramp change? I am confused at why less equals more. Alright, maybe I should just break down what's happening. So we're getting the transform of this geometry, and we're changing the scale using a variable, pretty much. A public variable. Attribute vector math. So it's getting the position of this geometry and getting the distance between the box and the geometry. The distance between this and that. Maybe it's something to do with the origin point. Don't know why a cube is used. Let's change the origin point and do that. Man, I wish there was a console.log. I'm hoping there's a console.log so I can see these values. Let's see. Console log print. Oh wait, that's how it's supposed to work. And also the color ramp is different, so yeah, right here they redid the color ramp ease. Okay. Oops. Ah, I didn't assign it, that's why. There we go. I don't like this naming as a coder. It feels weird. Not gonna lie, these time skips are kind of annoying. Like, you don't know what's happening in between, see? Alright, I'm gonna take a break. I haven't eaten anything today. Well, that's the whole reason I do this. It's to do something before I do something important. It's to force myself to do game dev, I guess, even when I'm not motivated. But I am somewhat motivated to finish this. So, the chance of me being back is quite high this time. So I'm gonna eat lunch, then continue this tutorial. Bye.